Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming what kind of break you have. Manual page breaks behave differently than section breaks. Click where your content jumps, then reveal non-printing marks so you can see the exact break. Once done, decide whether you need to delete, move, or convert that break, because removing a section break can change headers, footers, and page numbering. Make sure to save a copy before big edits. That preserves formatting if something shifts unexpectedly. Now you perform the actual fix. Position the cursor directly before a page break and press delete, or after it and press backspace. This removes manual breaks. If a section break controls headers or margins, cut the following content and paste it where you want the new page to begin, instead of deleting. Once done, tidy spacing and paragraph styles so text flows. Mismatched styles often cause unexpected page jumps. Remember to use undo if the layout changes in ways you did. Finish by verifying headers, footers, and page numbers. Section breaks can alter those elements, so make sure they match your intent. If a stubborn paragraph still forces a page break, select it and choose clear formatting. That removes hidden spacing and style rules. Once done, scan the document in print layout. If problems persist, copy the content, not the raw formatting, into a fresh document. This often eliminates invisible markers and gives you a clean slate to reapply styles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.